I bought and tested both of these wallets from Amazon. I bought over 30 wallets to try to find the best wallet. Today we're going to cover the Proof wallet versus the LORZOR wallet. This one right over here. So it's LOZRZO. Going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know, show you how many cards, how much cash fits in all of them, all the different things they come with. So let's get into it. Let's go with the Proof one first. So this is going to be the Proof wallet. This is super slim, minimal. We got some nice leather on the outside over here. This is a stack right over here of 15 cards. So one thing to note, I'm going to put some over here because I can't show that on camera. When you are loading this, load like half at a time. So what you're going to do here, you're going to put those in just like that, expand it just like that, so you're good to go right over there. And then when you put the next batch in, it's a little easier. If you try to get all 15 in one shot, it's going to be a struggle. So this is what it looks like with 15 cards in here. Now, this is kind of like the max for this. You could probably get a little bit more cards in there, but then in terms of bills, we got 15 $20 bills. Your bills are going to go right over here. It could go right in here. It's a little bit of a tight fit right over here with the 15 bills, but 15 bills does get in there if you wanted to go that way. Now, if you have less cards in here, I typically carry, maybe call it maybe 8-ish cards. You could get 25 bills if you have less cards in here. Now, to get to your cards right over here, you're just going to pull this up right over here, and that's going to pull up all the cards. I like to put the card I use the most on both outsides. This way, I have easy access to them. This is RFID blocking as well. Neither of these are waterproof. So this is the Proof wallet right over here. Super slim, very convenient. Both of these come in different colors. Let me take these out. It also comes with this key right over here. You have a bottle opener, a filer, all sorts of different stuff that you could do with this, and it comes in this very nice box. It makes a great gift. All right, next up we got the LORZOR wallet right over here. LORZOR. This one right over here, a little different. You could get about 5 to 7 cards right up here. It does have a quick release right over here. So this button right over here is going to pop out your cards just like this. I will go over the pros and the cons in a second between both of these wallets. This is RFID blocking, made from real leather. This also has a money clip, and then we have a pouch on the other side over here. In terms of bills, this is going to get you about 10 bills in here. So it slides in there nicely just like that. It is totally flat as well. Your bills don't really hang off or anything like that. Now, this back pocket right here, lots of space back here. This is going to be good for business cards, or you could put other cards as well back here if you wanted to. It doesn't just have to be business cards. Let's just pretend this was a business card. So you could get them in there, and then you have this nice little thumb push-up right over here. So if you did have cards in here as well, you could easily push that up. You could also, another use I have found for this, if you didn't want to utilize this money clip right over here, you could also fold bills and put that in this side right over here. You get about 10 bills on this side as well. If you wanted to do that, you do have that option as well. This is made of real leather. You got the RFID blocking, all that stuff. So let's take a look now head to head. So this is what they both look like head to head. The Proof one, obviously much smaller, a lot slimmer. So if you're looking for that, you have that. So kind of to here, we get 15 cards, 15 bills. So if you have a lot more stuff to carry, the Proof one might be for you. This one right over here, you get 10 bills and about 5 to 7 cards in this top piece right over here. You could probably get another 3 to 4 cards on the back right over here. So it just depends on what you want to do in terms of cards. So right over here, you do have the quick release option with this one. With this one right over here, you do have a quick release. You will have to pull that out and out if you wanted to do that. It just really depends. You can't really go wrong with either one of these wallets. So I would just say this: if you are looking for to carry a lot of cards, a lot of cash, The proof one is probably gonna be for you. You can get up to 15 cards, 15 bills in there, and if you're looking for something a little smaller, this one would be for you. If you're someone who just basically carries the essentials and don't really care, and you only have about 5 to 7 cards, you only want, like, kinda 10 bills, and maybe you wanna carry some business cards in here, this one is gonna be for you. Again, these all come in different colors and styles, which is really nice. They make great gifts. Again, can't go wrong with either one of these. I would say if you want to carry more stuff or if someone you're getting this for has a lot of stuff, the proof is going to be the one for you. If the person is a true minimalist and only has a couple cards, is looking for a nice piece, maybe something a little bigger, they don't really want something this small, the LORZOR one will be for them. I hope you found this video helpful and you get the perfect wallet for you.